Welcome! In front of me I have POLAR Vantage M, and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, you will need a couple of things. You will need to have an access to a working computer, and also you will need to have a internet access on that computer. And another thing you will need is a charging cable that was provided with your watch, which looks like this. Basically, we have this end of the cable that you use to plug your watch, and the USB cable that you use to plug your to the computer, basically. Okay, so once you have the computer, internet access, and the cable, we can continue. And now we need to go to our computer, and on it we need to open a browser. You can open any type of web browser. I'm gonna use Google Chrome, but you can use anything else. And in the web browser, you need to type in flow.polar.com/start. I need to press enter. And here you will see this page, basically get started page. And on this page, we need to find the computer category, and we have Apple or Windows. Depending on which operating system you're using, you need to download the appropriate version. I'm using the Windows one, so I'm gonna click on Windows, but if you're using Apple, you can click on Apple. Let's wait until it's done downloading, and once it's done, you can click on the installer right here in the downloading. And the installer should start. Once it does, click on yes, accept the agreement, and click on next. Here you can change the installation path, basically where it's gonna be installed. If you want to change it, you can change it. I'm just gonna use the default one. Then click next, next, and wait until the application is done installing. And after it's done installing, you can click the box or check the box that to launch the application, and click finish, and the application will open automatically. And that's how it looks like. Now we need to take a charging cable and basically plug our watch to a cable. So take your charging cable, take your watch, snap it on. You need to basically align this red square with this red square, and there's also a notch on the cable, so it only fits one way, like this, and it snaps on because it's magnetic. Once you plug the watch end, take the USB end and plug it to the USB port on the computer. Like this. The app should detect your watch. As you can see, it might open some another web page, basically, because it wants you to log in into a Polar account to sync your watch with it. I'm just gonna ignore it, click on settings right here, click on factory reset button, and click on yes to confirm. And it's just a resetting process. As you can see, here we have it. It says resetting to default, do not disconnect your watch. So don't unplug your watch until it's done. It may take a while, so let me position the watch like this, and hopefully it's gonna stay upwards like that. And let's wait until it's done. Once you see the message factory reset done, you can unplug the watch. So we can basically unplug it, and then you will see the list of languages on the screen, which means that the factory reset is complete. And that's how you factory reset this watch by using the application on the computer. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.